everyone, this is our presentation for the Paper Geodesic Dome Challenge. Here are our team members: Eunice Jia Zhun, Fong Thong, and Wong Shi Yun. Before starting the project, we learned about design thinking, which is a process for solving problems by prioritizing the consumer's need above all else. Design thinking included 5 stages, which are emphasize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. The first step, emphasize. Emphasize is a stage where we take note about the problems faced by the consumers and put ourselves in consumers' shoes. We can achieve this by doing an interview. We had conducted a peer interview on Zoom and interview in person. Here's how the interview worked. We show them pictures of geodesic dome and regular pyramid structure. The people would need to choose between both structures and stated the reason of the choice. After the interview, we found out that most people chose pyramid structure over geodesic dome because they doubted about the stability of geodesic dome. The next stage, define. This is a stage which we need to analyze the people's concern and point out the main problem that we need to solve with our product. From the interview conducted before, we found out that the main reason people aren't confident about the stability of geodesic dome are mainly because they lack of knowledge about geodesic dome, and this kind of design isn't common in life. There goes to our ideation stage, which gave us an idea about how should we finish a task. During the ideation stage, we had come up with lots of plans and many of them were crossed out after discussion. Only the best plans stay. In order to educate people about the benefits of using geodesic dome, we planned to make an educational kit. The kit could teach the children about the uniqueness of the structure, spark their interest in STEM, prompt their enthusiasm in architecture, encourage them to pursue career about STEM, and it costs lower compared to other educational toys because it's made of paper and cardboard only. At first, we thought about making a dome that allows people to walk in because it's unique and it can probably hold more weight. However, the idea was then crossed out because it needed a lot of paper. It was too hard to connect and it was too hard to do it. Then we considered about making a dome out of newspaper. Unfortunately, we couldn't get enough newspaper to start the work. We also thought of things like making a 2V dome, connecting the struts with screw or tape, but all of them were rejected due to many different reasons. Finally, all of us agreed to make a 1V dome and connect it with paper's connectors.
After the ideation stage, we were going to make a prototype of the dome. The materials and tools need to make a dome is simple. We will need a pair of scissors, masking tape. We are using masking tape because it is made from recycled materials. And we will need a ruler pencil to help rolling the paper, and lastly recycled paper. We are using a 27 times 27 paper to make a struts. The struts are 27 cm long and 6 mm in diameter. Of the paper connectors, we will make 3 versions of them. The first version is a simple 2-way connectors. It is then animated because it only connects 2 rows. The second version of connector is two-way connectors, being put together by 2 slits of paper, but it cannot hold weight. Third version of connector is made by making a hole on one of the tube and another tube is plugged inside of it. After finished connecting the first layer of our dome, we face a new challenge making 5-way connector of the second layer. A 5-way connector as shown in diagram is then produced by multiplying the 4-way connector we made before.
Here is the skeleton of our dome. The height of the dome is 37.173 cm. The radius of it is 25.690 cm. The strecks have the length of 27 cm. The whole dome weighs 245 grams, and we will use 35 strecks. So let's find out why is geodesic dome so strong. It is because geodesic dome is made out of a lot of triangles. As we all know, triangle is the strongest and the most stable shape because it has fixed angle and can't be easily destroyed. Making a dome out of triangle is like connecting multiple parts from points of load to the points of supports. Therefore, when pressure is applied to a part of the geodesic dome, the strength is then distributed to the whole part of the hemisphere, which makes it really hard to be broken. Now we are going to talk about the usage of geodesic dome.
Geodesic dome can be seen in greenhouse. Due to its unique shape, light retracts and stays inside the dome longer than other types of greenhouses, which means a geodesic dome greenhouse can amplify the lightning inside it and lack full advantages of solar light. Other than the glamping test will also appear as geodesic dome because a geodesic dome can minimize the usage of materials and maximize the space inside it due to its special design that can hold itself out without the need of support inside. It means that the material cost can be cut down, which makes it suitable of commercial accommodation.
And now we are going to the phototype shop to take some recycled paper. We can take the Smith printed edges and make them become a dome.
Yes.
We want some recycled paper to do some engineering challenge.
Okay. Okay. Now for now. Okay, Okay, yes. Get a big box recycled paper.
Moments later.
We have learned a lot from the project. Nothing can be made without teamwork. We can say that teamwork is vital for every project to be success. Knowing how to convey ideas is also an essential skill to master. With good communicating skill, we get to share our ideas to the others and conduct discussion in the process of making the test. We've been to the first step shop and the community center. We get to connect with the society, which gave us a chance to get in touch with people. From the interviews, we could view other concerns from a whole new perspective.
Thank
Thank
you
you
for
for
watching.
watching.